Hey y'all, what is up? It is your girl Kirah Omunique, and I am back with another video. Yes, it has been a minute since your girl has done a video, but I am back, y'all, and I'm really gonna be consistent more than I was before. So if you're ready to see what products I review, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you are following me at Kirah on Instagram and on TikTok, so that's where you can see what all your girl does when I'm not posting on YouTube. Yeah, I'm very excited. I'm really about to take my content to the next level, and I just can't wait to see what all 2025 has in store for your girl. So if you are ready to see what all products I'm about to review, keep watching. The first product I am about to use is the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. And this is a high concentrated, high lather shampoo to strengthen and hydrate hair. The key benefits: it reduces breakage, it strengthens hair, it gently cleanses without stripping moisture, hydrates, smooths, nourishes, and it detangles. It is a highly concentrated, color-safe shampoo, proven to reduce breakage and nourish hair, leaving it smoother, shinier, and more manageable with every wash. The richly lathering formula gently yet thoroughly cleanses every hair type without stripping or drying to maintain hydrated hair and scalp. Y'all, and it has a gentle blend of coconut oil derived. And when I say, I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I really did love it. Just on instant application, my scalp felt very clean. And of course, I did it twice. And y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the second lather, because I mean, it really did what it needed to do. So after I sit here and wash my hair, I'm gonna move on to the conditioner.
I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my nasty? I got stamina, they say I'm an athlete. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Need somebody with a good technique. Is somebody gonna match my nasty? Pillow talking got my throat raspy. If you keep up with me, I'll keep on coming back. If you do it too good, I'm gonna get attached. 'Cause it feels like heaven when it hurts so bad. Baby, put it on me. I like it just like that.
Next product I am using is the Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. And this is a highly concentrated moisturizing conditioner to smooth and strengthen. Key benefits: it reduces breakage and strengthens hair, conditions, moisturizes and hydrates, and improves manageability and boosts shine. It's a concentrated and color-safe conditioner, proven to reduce breakage and nourish hair, leaving it smoother, shinier, and more manageable with every wash. This moisturizing formula hydrates all hair types as it detangles and shrinks. And as y'all see, y'all, I'm just able to glide my hands straight through my hands. I really do love it. Key ingredients in this conditioner is pentothal and glycerin. It draws moisture in the hair to keep it hydrated and helps prevent breakage. And y'all, I can say Olaplex did what it needed to do. Now I'm moving on to another section to show y'all, like I'm really not kidding. Yes, the conditioner is very thick. But I really wanted to come on here and let y'all know, like, leaving the conditioner conditioner in your hair and let it sit on your hair for a little bit. It's enough. If you really want hair growth, you have to deep condition. I'm not saying you have to get a conditioner. Yes, it looks nice, but heck, just using the conditioner, even though it's a rinse out conditioner, heck, all conditioners are rinse out. Unless it says deep in conditioner, you're gonna have to rinse it out. But just allowing it to sit in your hair from the steam of the shower is really, really gonna help your hair grow. Like, deep conditioning is a must. My opinion, my hair wash is not complete if I'm not deep conditioning. So, yeah, I don't know what y'all doing, but get to it. I am now back showing you what my curls look like with the conditioner in my hair. Y'all, look at it. Just look at it. Like, you can do a before, go back to the beginning, and then now look at my curls. Like, they look so juicy, just so doggone moisturizing. Like, oh my gosh, look at it, y'all. Like, woo, look at it. So now I'm about to rinse it out, and again, I thank y'all so much for watching this video. It's short and sweet, straight to the point. But it's better late than never. Like, I am so serious, y'all. I am really about to get back into it. I really do love posting and making content. Like, I really, really do. But make sure y'all stay tuned to Instagram and TikTok, because I'm really about to take my content to the next level. Like, really, really be on the lookout. Be on the lookout for new videos to come, because it's only March 30th, so I got plenty of time, but I do want to just see growth. So from March 30th to December 31st, I definitely want to see growth. Again, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!